Welcome to day 2. So this is quite a bit harder than the starter was. I'm replacing the, where is it? Rack and pinion on this car because it was leaking. And it's been leaking for a while. And I just kept putting it off. Because it wasn't leaking that much, just added fluid. But now the fluid just don't stay in there. That is proving to be difficult. That bolt that this is on, that one, focus, right there is being very difficult. It's tight and can't really get in there. I'm trying to do it without lowering this. And I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'm trying. So what I'm doing is that and a pipe on there, being very slow. I got the other bolt out. There's one on the other side, and then I think there's a little something holding it on the other end. Clamp thingy. This bolt's taking me a long time, but I just keep going. Just keep doing it. So, yeah. When I get it out, you'll see. It'll be 1 second for you, probably hours for me. Snack break. Oh, this is a good one. This is difficult. My arm is sore. I don't know why that bolt's so tight. Oh well. Just keep going, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't take me all day. Well, finally got that stupid bolt out of there. It took no less than 2 hours. That one surely was a pain. I gotta figure out some other stuff. I'll be back. Let's see if we can see it. This, where is it? There's a bracket here with a bolt that goes right there. And there's another one on the other side. There's a heat shield that goes on here, so I have to take this here. I took that off and then I was finally able to get it slowly through there. Now, I think all the bolts are off, so I have to take the steering thingamajobber off of there. And then hopefully I should be able to slide this out. I got that off. That was something too, frick. I got it off. Now I gotta possibly try and take another bracket off and then slide it out. Well, there you go. Lottie freaking Daughtry. Got her out. Yikes, a doozy. My Atlanta. So, what I have to do to get it out is take, let's see, these bolts out just on the one side, on the driver's side, so I could lift that up a little bit, and then I have to take the motor mount, or not the motor, the transmission mount, which went right in there, over top of that. Had to take that out also. There's the new one, refurbished one, remanufactured, whatever. Just go back in there. I'm gonna do that. Alright, I got the new one back in. Everything's put back together. Now I'm gonna put the tie rods on. And I'm just about done. So I got everything back together. I'm using that laser to do a little bit of a wheel alignment until I can go get one properly. So I gotta put the fluid in there, and then that'll probably pretty much just be it for this one. Got it all back together. No extra bolts. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Later.